How to use Grok Imagine on your mobile device. So step number one will be to head over to your Grok app. Now, once we go to Grok, if we are on this page, for example, you just need to click on the three lines there, and then you will then be able to go over to Imagine. Now, once we are on Imagine, what you can do is you can use a photo from your camera roll to make it more personalized, or you can simply go down to type to Imagine, and you can do it from scratch. So for example, if we just do something like this, so just something really simple. So YouTuber hitting a 1 million subscriber celebration, you can go to image or video. So if we go to video, for example, I can do this, and then it will then generate the video from whatever you've described. As I said before, you can do this with a personalized photo from your camera roll, and it will take a couple of minutes to go ahead and generate. And it's quite fast. So as you can see, it's coming toward the end here. And this is what it has come up with on Grok. And as you can see, this is what it has come up with. And you can also make changes to this if you want to do that. Now, this could be done with a photo of yourself, for example. So it's just as simple, guys. That's how you can use Grok Imagine.